Hello everyone, I am going to explain question number 2 from 10th class maths book. This question belongs in chapter 2, exercise 2.4. So the question is, write down the decimal expansion of following rational number and show whether these are terminating. So we are going to start the third part. In third part, the given fraction is the given fraction is 49 upon 500. So here first step is to convert the denominator in its factor form. So the denominator is 500. So in rough column, first we will factorize the denominator. So when we will factorize the denominator, we will obtain by 2 I am dividing. So the 500 is going to be, how many times 2 we have? 2 times. And how many times 5 we have? 3 times. So the denominator we are going to express in the form of its factors. So it is going to be 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 3. Now here the next step is we have to convert this in the form of 10 to the power either 2 or 3. So students, we have to see the maximum power. Here the power of 2 is 2 and here the power of 5 is 3. So if we multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, then here the power of 2 is going to be 3. So in down we can write it as 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 5 to the power 3. How it happened? Because here the power is 2 and here the power is 1. So in multiply, if base is same, you can add the powers. So 2 and this 1 becomes, when you will add, you will get here 3. Now here you have to multiply the numerators. So when you will multiply, you will get 98. Now this, because here the base is same, base is different and power is same, so we can write it in a single bracket. So it is going to be 98 upon 2 multiplied by 5 whole to the power 3, because the base is same, so you can take it as like this. Now it is going to be 98 upon 10 to the power 3. Now since power is 3, so from units place you have to count 3. So first place, second, and because we don't have any third number, so extra 0 just write down and then put decimal and then one more 0. So the decimal expansion of 49 upon 500 is 0.098. So how we achieved it? First step is we will factorize the denominator. After factorizing the denominator, we found that the denominator 500 we can write as 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 3. So here whatever be the maximum power, that should be given to all. So to make 2 to the power cube, extra 2 we needed, so that extra 2 we have to multiply in numerator as well as in denominator. So by doing this, what we found is that this 2's power is also 3 and this 5's power is also 3. Now since the power is same, so we took them in a bracket and then it is going to be 10 to the power 3, and since power is 3, so from units place count 3 places and put the decimal. So the decimal expansion of 49 upon 500 is terminating. So this we had solved without dividing. Then finally conclusion we are going to write down. So decimal expansion of 49 upon 500 is equal to 0.098, which is terminating decimal expansion. So it's completed. So it's our rough work. So we'll write here. So I hope this question is clear to you, and these two questions, first and second part, I already explained in my previous video, so you can go through with that. I hope this question is clear to you. Further, if you have any doubt, you can write in comments so that I can clear out your doubts. Thank you.